Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Marilyn Regulacion. I'm 37 years old. I had two kids, 8 years old and 15 years old. I graduated in National High School of the Philippines. I work here in Hong Kong for 1 year and 3 months. My main duties is take good care of her newborn baby and also three dogs. They have one Labrador, one Golden Retriever, and one Doberman. And also do house chores like marketing, cooking, ironing, and tidy up old house. If you've given me a chance to work your family, I promise that your child is I'm taking good care like my own too. And also, the grandma, don't worry, I love to grandma. And I treat like my own too. If you given me a chance to work your family, I promise I do my best. I am lovable, joyful, and want to sing like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Sir and ma'am, please give me a chance. See you soon. Bye bye.